Hi, welcome to this short video on the Bactiscan, our handheld bacteria and biofilm detection system. Built around our proprietary high-intensity wave-alternating UV light, this is an environmentally friendly, chemical-free system that allows an operator to view large areas quickly and easily. Contaminants can be undetectable using other methods, such as white light or simple UV lamps. However, with Bactiscan, you can shine light on a surface and identify areas with contaminants within seconds. Why is this important? Well, foodborne disease is a huge global challenge. The Food Standards Agency estimate that there are 2.4 million cases of foodborne disease in the UK annually, many of which are preventable. When it comes to cleaning factory environments, bacteria existing as biofilms can develop in difficult-to-reach places from which recurrent contamination can take place. So, rapid detection is essential for infection prevention. Bactiscan gives you that ease of use you need. Simply turn it on and aim at the surface you want to examine. You could change the view from this as seen with the naked eye to a more informed view thanks to the Bactiscan. This could allow you to take corrective action before costly downtime or damaging product recalls. Stay informed and help keep your customers safe. Trust Bactiscan. For more information, visit our website or contact us today.